Hi, this is Chris from ICN. A lot of you have been asking for updates, and we're super excited to be able to share with you finally some news about the future of ICN. We've been deep in research and development, and we're pleased to announce that this year we'll be going live with the ICN Protocol in Q2. We spent a lot of time making sure the system we launch will truly be the future of DeepIn, and we have some ambitious plans for ICN. Today, I want to talk to you about the vision for ICN. What are we building and where are we going? The future is bright, and we want you to all be on board with us as we evolve Web3. First off, I'm Chris. I'm leading the product development of the protocol at ICN, and hopefully this will be the first of many updates that we'll be sharing with you guys. Now, for the uninitiated, what is ICN Protocol? We believe that the cloud is the infrastructure of Web2, and in order to build a more open and equitable internet, we need to evolve beyond this. As our lives become almost entirely reliant on digital services, our freedoms also become dependent on the architecture of this internet. ICN aims to be the decentralized internet infrastructure layer for the next generation internet. The protocol intends to provide a new primary settlement layer for all digital ecosystems and value transfer through a dynamic and composable network of interconnected nodes. Returning to the core tenets of Web3, ICN is building a network that is open, permissionless, and self-sovereign. Digital sovereignty must be given back to the user. To illustrate this, I've prepared a projection of what we envision here at ICN. Let's start with the internet. The internet of today is not Web3 enabled. It runs on a cloud system that is dominated by only 4 or 5 big hyperscalers that control all flow of information. Personal data and critical systems all run here, and even most Web3 projects. Let's build a better class of system for Web3 to run on. This new generation of internet should support applications and services that aren't possible on Web2 cloud. This application and service layer should allow a dynamic and innovative layer for creation of new systems. Centered around the user, we should be able to build user-governed data systems, private computation and transacting, AI-centric ecosystems, and more. This application and service layer is a composable, resource-aware software stack that enables the creation of new types of applications and use cases in the emergent ecosystems of the internet. This is driven by a decentralized heterogeneous network of hardware known as Scalar Nodes. Scalar nodes are hardware resources of specific class, ranging from storage, compute, networking, etc. They provide a bedrock of capabilities to allow innovation at the application and service layer. The deep network of hardware allows ICN to enable a complex yet diverse set of capabilities to meet the execution needs of any next generation system. Resources can be tailored and allocated for specific types of needs, allowing the network to efficiently, dynamically evolve over time. These scalar nodes are collateralized with stake in case of misbehavior and are monitored well by a crucial core part of the network called the HyperNode network. The security of the hardware network, again, is guaranteed by these hypernodes. And these hypernodes are a decentralized network of guardians that monitor and protect the network. They ensure that the scalar nodes behave and fulfill their performance claims, allowing the network to operate permissionlessly and efficiently. As the nexus of security, the size of the hypernode network plays a crucial role in maintaining protocol function. ICN link holders here will be able to link their NFTs to hypernodes and generate security in the network and earn rewards for their contributions. It's key that the hypernodes are the glue to the ICN protocol. Once hypernodes perform their checks, hypernodes will submit verifiable proofs of the scalar nodes to the satellite network. Anyone at any time can find data points in the satellite network describing at any timeline the behavior of the scalar nodes, allowing constant monitoring possibilities of all parts of the system. The satellite network can be seen as a data availability network, allowing 24/7 access to all data that verifies the performance of the scalar node network. These proofs are then submitted on-chain for irrefutability. Once they're submitted on-chain, they become irrefutable proof of the performance of the scalar node network. The blockchain then becomes the final commitment layer to maintain a transactional and historical ordering of systematic events that cannot be manipulated. Here, protocol participants will be able to hold and stake ICNL and ICNT to parts of the system and earn rewards for contributing to the protocol. Resource management and allocation also happens at this layer to prevent double spending of hardware resource. The blockchain here plays a crucial role in maintaining the verifiability and functional resolution of the network as a whole. It's an added trust layer to enable uncensorable and permissionless access to the protocol. In this multi-dimensional system, ICN Protocol paves the path for an internet architecture that Web3 and the future of digital ecosystems can thrive upon. We believe that the cloud must evolve beyond, and ICN is committed to building it. Thank you for being here. Please stay tuned for more. Our mainnet launch is coming soon in Q2, and we'll have more announcements on the way. Peace.